Are you suspecting that you are a starseed? In other words, an alien soul, a soul that has had lives on other planets, not only Earth? Then you might have read blog articles and seen YouTube videos with top signs that you are a starseed. But you might be wondering, which of these signs is the clearest sign that you are a starseed? So I have an article on my blog with 50 starseed signs. So today I will share with you which of these signs I feel is the clearest sign that you are a starseed. My name is Julia and I help starseeds and lightworkers step into their power and purpose, so make sure to subscribe. So before I get into what starseed sign is the clearest sign that you're a starseed, what are actually some common starseed traits? One is that you feel homesick. Even though you might be at home right now, you still feel homesick. And especially when you look up to the stars, you feel like that is your home. Another big starseed sign is that you are very empathic and sensitive. So you get really drained in 9-to-5 jobs, in open workspaces and big events. You might be drawn to more of a country life, like I am. Because even being in the closest town with 13,000 people, inhabitants, I get drained. Oh gosh, there's so many little flies here. I hope the camera is not catching them. Another big starseed sign is that you feel you have a purpose, a soul mission in this lifetime. You might not know what it is, but you feel like you're here to help other people. And this is because starseeds are galactic volunteers. They came here to Earth to help in this transition from 3D to 5D Earth. Now, without further ado, this is the clearest sign that you are a starseed. And that is that you are obsessed with researching about starseeds online. So you are going to all the starseed blogs and the YouTube videos, trying to figure out which starseed race you are and if you're a starseed in the first place. So if you're not sure if you are a starseed, then this is great news for you. You are very likely a starseed. So why is that? Well, you wouldn't be researching about starseeds. You wouldn't feel this pull if you weren't a starseed. It's you remembering. My guess is that your family have no interest in starseeds. They don't even know what the expression means. So this is your soul wanting you to know that you are a starseed, for you to remember that again. Because as you might know, when we are born, we go through the veil of forgetfulness here on Earth, and you forget everything again, but your soul remembers. So it's your soul saying, go look at this article, go watch this YouTube video, see how much it resonates. This is you. And no, you don't need to have any psychic powers activated. You don't need to be levitating and telepathic. You could be a completely normal person. I always thought I was a completely normal person up until 5 years ago or so, when I discovered that I was a starseed. Now, if you want to know for sure that you are a starseed, then I have a whole webinar here on YouTube on how to find out your soul origin. Link is in the description. So do you think you're a starseed, and what is your opinion about this? I'd love to hear in the comments. Have a beautiful day.